Hey, this is English Explained, and we're diving into the cheerful idiom, wet your whistle. It's a lively way to say have a drink to refresh your throat or quench your thirst, whether it's a cold beer or a crisp juice, with a playful nod to kicking back. It's about sipping something to revive your spirit. Let's break it down with examples so you really get it. After mowing the lawn, he wet his whistle with a chilly beer. It hit the spot perfectly. On that hot beach day, she wet her whistle with iced water. It cooled her right down. The team wet their whistles with juice after the game. A refreshing sip for all. The idiom wet your whistle has colorful roots, tracing back to the 14th century in English literature. Whistle was old slang for the throat or voice, and wetting it meant drinking to soothe or refresh it. By the 1800s, it became a staple in tavern culture and everyday speech, capturing the joy of a drink, boozy or not, to perk you up. Its jovial imagery made it a timeless phrase for any refreshing sip. Use wet your whistle to describe grabbing a drink to refresh or relax, especially in casual chats about hot days, social vibes, or post-work unwinding. This idiom carries a fun, friendly tone and is perfect for informal conversations about drinks, from beer to juice. Avoid it in formal settings, as it's got a relaxed, cheerful charm. Does your language have a similar phrase? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.